Good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manu Search Institute. Today I am going to start part 2 of exercise 12.1. Before this I have explained you part 1 from the same exercise where I have taught you all the basic things and the Heron's formula which will be used to solve the question from the exercise. Now I am going to start question number 2. In question number 2 it is given the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Okay, so there is a flyover and one of the triangular side wall has been used for the advertisement. So first of all we have to calculate the area of the side wall and then we have to multiply with the rupees so that we will calculate that how much the company has to pay money for the advertisement. So the sides of the side wall are given. Let the sides of the walls A equals to, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. So A equals to 120 meter, B equals to 22 meter and C equals to 122 meter. So these are the sides of the side wall. So while using the Heron's formula, first of all we were finding out the value of S. S equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, and the values of A, B, C are 120 plus 22 plus 122 divided by 2. 264 divided by 2. By dividing it we will get 132. So the value of S we got 132. Okay, now we will use the Heron's formula. Area equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square root. This is the Heron's formula. Okay, what is S? 132. 132 minus A is 120. Again 132 minus 22. Again 132 minus 122. This is as it is 132. 132 minus 120 12 into 132 minus 22 is 110 into 132 minus 122 is just 10. Okay, so find out the LCM of these numbers, then you find out its square root. Okay, so the LCM of 132 is 132 LCM will be 2 6 ja 2 6 ja 2 33 3 11 and 11 1s. Okay, so the LCM of 132 is 2 2 3 11. 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. In place of 132 I wrote 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Now the LCM of 12 is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and LCM of 10 is 2 5s are 10. Now the LCM of 110. LCM of 110 will be 255, 5 11 and 11 1s. So the LCM is 2 into 5 into 11. This much we got the LCM of all the numbers. Okay, now we will arrange the numbers according to their increasing order. 2 into 2, how many? Total 6 2s are there. So 6 2s we will multiply into 2 3s into 2 5 into 2 11. From the pair of number take out one outside. From these two 1, from these two 1, from these two 1, from these two 1 and from these two 1 you take it outside the square. Now multiply all the numbers, you will get the area. 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 5 is 120, 120 11 is 11 is 1320 meter square. Okay, so the area of the triangular wall we got 1320 meter square. Now we have to calculate the amount the company has to pay for hiring the triangular side wall. Okay, so the cost of hiring the wall per meter square is 5000 per year. Okay, so the cost of hiring the wall per meter square, that is 1 meter square. Per meter square means 1 meter square is 5000 per year. So for 2 meter square it will be 10,000, 3 meter square it will be 15,000, and it is for 1 year. For the whole year we have to pay 5,000. In the question it is asking to calculate the amount should be paid for 3 months. Okay, the cost of hiring the walls equals to 5,000 into area is 1320 into for how many months? For 3 months out of 1 year. So this is the amount for 1 year. This is the total area, because for 1 meter square is 5,000. For this much meter square we are multiplying with 5,000 into 3 by 12 is 3 months out of 1 year. If we have to calculate 5 months, 5 divided by 12 we will write. Okay. Now by cancelling 3 ones are 3 4 ja, again by cancelling 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 3s are 12, 0. Okay, so we got 5,000 into 330 will give us, if we will multiply, it will give us 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 116 and 4 zeros. Okay, so and 4 zeros. So this much rupees the company has to pay for hiring the side wall just for 3 months. Okay, so the total cost for hiring the walls just for 3 months is equals to 16,50,000 rupees. Question number 3, it is given that there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the side of the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, obtain the area painted in color. Okay, so this is a slide in the park. These are the stairs and this is the slide part. Okay, and one of the wall of the side wall has been painted with keep the park green and clean. Okay, so we have to find out how much paint will be used to paint this triangular slide. Okay, so first of all we have to calculate the area, then we can say how much area to be painted. So the sides we will take as A11, B15 and C6. Okay, let the sides of the B, A equals to 11 meter, B equals to 15 meter and C equals to 6 meter. Okay, so these are the sides of the side wall. First of all we will calculate S to use the Heron's formula. S equals to A plus B plus C by 2. A is 11, B is 15, C is 6 divided by 2. 11 plus 15 26, 26 plus 6 32 divided by 2, 32 by 2 is 16 meter. Okay, so S we got 16. Now we will use Heron's formula to calculate the area. Heron's formula is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square root. We will substitute the value. S is 16, 16 minus 11, 16 minus 15, 16 minus 6 square root. Okay, 16 into 16 minus 11 is 5, into 16 minus 15 is 1, 16 minus 6 is 9. Okay, now we will write the shorter form of all the numbers. 16 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 5 will be written as it is, 1 no need to write. 9 will be written as 3 into 3. Okay, so these are the numbers we got. Now make a pair of number. This is a pair, this is one of the pair, this is one of the pair. So out of 2, 1 will come outside, again out of 2, 1 will come outside, again out of 2, 1 will come outside. The number which is left alone will be kept inside the square root. Okay, so from the pair of numbers, one number you have to write outside the square root, and the number which is left alone, it will be kept inside the square root. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 root 5. This is the area of the slide. So this much meter square of area should be painted in color. Okay, and the amount of area should be painted in color. Now question number 4. In question number 4 it is given, find the area of a triangle two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Okay, so in this question a triangle is there whose two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay, suppose this is a triangle whose two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. The third side is not given, we have to find out, but the perimeter of the triangle it is given, that is 42 centimeter. Okay, perimeter of triangle is 42 centimeter. Okay, so what is the formula for the perimeter of a triangle? I already taught you that sum of all the sides is the perimeter of a triangle. So sum of all sides means AB plus BC plus AC equals to 42. Okay, in place of perimeter of triangle I wrote the formula AB plus BC plus AC equals to 42 centimeter. When we will add all the three sides we will get exactly 42 centimeter. Okay, so what is the value of AB? AB is 18 plus BC is 10 plus AC we don't have, equals to 42. 18 plus 10 is 28 plus AC equals to 42. Bring 28 this side, AC equals to 42 minus 28, that is 14. So the side AC is 14 centimeter. Okay, in this way we will get the third side. So here I am writing 14 centimeter. Now we will take this as A, this as B, this one as C. The sides of triangle ABC are A equals to 18, B equals to 10, C equals to 14. We have to find out the value of S. S equals to A plus B plus C by 2, that is 18 plus 10 plus 14 by 2. Now the addition of this is 42 by 2. If we will cancel it we will get 21. So the value of S is 21. Now we will use Heron's formula to find the area. Heron's formula is area equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square root. Okay, we will substitute the value. S is 21, 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10 and 21 minus 14 we will get. Okay, 21 into 21 minus 18 is 3, 21 minus 10 is 11 and 21 minus 14 is 7. So these are the values we got. Now we will write the LCM of these number. LCM of 21 is 3, 7 ja we can write, into 3 into 11 into 7. This much we got. Now between two 3's, one we will write outside the square root. Between 2 7, again one we will write outside the square root. As 11 is individual, single, we will write that number inside the square root. So the area of triangle ABC is 21 root 11. This much is the area of triangle ABC. 3 7s are 21 and root 11 will be as it is. Okay, so by using Heron's formula, in this way we can find out the area of triangle. Next question. Now question number 5. In question number 5 it is given sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 ratio 17 ratio 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Okay, so there is a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle I am taking and the sides of the triangle are given in the ratio. So remember one thing, whenever you will get any question with ratio from any chapter, it is not about Heron's formula, in any chapter, if you are getting any values in ratio, you remove the ratio by using some variable, like let the sides of the triangle be A equals to, suppose this is A, B and C, A equals to 12x, B equals to 17x, C equals to 25x. Okay, when you are removing the ratio from the question, you use a variable, either x, y, z, anything, but you have to write all the numbers along with a variable, then only you can able to solve. Okay. Now the perimeter is given. Perimeter of triangle ABC is 540 centimeter. Okay, perimeter of triangle ABC is 540 centimeter. What is the perimeter formula? Perimeter is sum of all side, that is AB plus BC plus CA or AC equals to 540 centimeter. What is AB? AB is A. What is BC? BC is small b. And what is AC? AC is small c equals to 540 centimeter. Now we will substitute the value of ABC. A is 12x, B is 17x, C is 25x equals to 540. When we will add all, we will get 54x equals to 540. Now divide 54 here. You will get x equals to 540 by 54, that is 10. 54 ones are 54 tens are. So the value of x we got 10 here. Okay. So the value of x here we got 10. So what is the sides of the triangle? So the sides of the triangle are, A is how much? A is 12x. In place of x we will write 10. 12 into 10 is 120 centimeter. B is how much? B is 17x. 17 into 10 is 170 centimeter. C is 25x, that is 25 into 10. It is 250 centimeter. So now we got the value of A, B, C. It is very easy to calculate the area of the triangle now. Okay, so first of all we will find out S. S is A plus B plus C by 2. A is 120, B is 170, C is 250 divided by 2. By adding all we will get 540 divided by 2. By cancelling we will get 270 centimeter. So the value of S is 270. Now we will use Heron's formula. Area equals to S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square root. S is 270, 270 minus 120, 270 minus 150, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 250 square root. 270 into 270 minus 120 is 150, 270 minus 170 is 100 and 270 minus 250 is 20. Okay. Now find out the LCM of these numbers. We can write this as 10 into 27, this as 15 into 10 and this as 10 into 10 and this number as 2 into 10. Okay, we got 5, 10. Now we will arrange all the 10, 3, 4 and 5 and the numbers which are left 27, 15, 2. Okay, now out of this one will be outside, again out of this one will be outside. Okay, rest all we will write inside the square root. Again we will find out the LCM of these numbers. 10 into 10 is 100, square root we will write the LCM of this number. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 10 can be written as 2 into 5, 15 can be written as 5 into 3 and 2 will be as it is. So 100 into, out of these two 1 we will write, out of these two 1 we will write, out of these two 1 we will write, again out of these two 1 we have to write down. So the answer which we will get, area equals to 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 5s are 90, 90 1s are 90 and 2 0. Okay, 9000 centimeter is the area of that triangle. Area of triangle ABC is 9000 centimeter square. This is the answer. Okay, next question. In question number 6 it is given an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter. Okay, and each of equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, what is an isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means any two sides will be equal. Okay, from a triangle if any two sides will be equal then it is called as an isosceles triangle. So suppose AB is equals to AC I am taking. Here in triangle ABC, AB equals to AC I am taking. That means both the sides are equal because it is given each of equal sides is 12 centimeter. Each of equal sides is 12 centimeter, it is given. Third side we don't have, but what it is given? Perimeter of the triangle is given in the question. So the perimeter of triangle ABC is 30 centimeter. What is the perimeter formula? Perimeter is sum of all sides, that is AB plus BC plus AC equals to 30 centimeter. Okay, AB is 12, BC we don't have, AC is 12, 30 centimeter. Okay, 12 plus 12 is 24, BC plus 24 is 30, bring 24 this side, BC equals to 30 minus 24, BC equals to 6 centimeter. That means the third side is 6 centimeter. So we will take this as A, this as B, this one as C. So let the sides of triangle ABC are A equals to 12, B equals to 6 and C equals to 12. Now we will use Heron's formula. So first of all we have to calculate S. A plus B plus C by 2, that is 12 plus 6 plus 12 by 2. 24 plus 6 is 30, 30 by 2 is 15, that is S. Area equals to S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, square root. S is 15, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 6 and 15 minus 12 again. Now calculate the values. Now 15 will be as it is. 15 minus 12 is 3, 15 minus 6 is 9, 15 minus 12 is 3 again. Now we will write the LCM of this. 15 can be written as 3 5s, 3 will be as it is, 9 can be written as 3 into 3, this 3 will be as it is. So here 5 3s are given. Out of this one we will take outside, out of this one we will take outside. Now what is left alone? 3 into 5 is left alone. So the answer will be 3 3s are 9 root 15. This is the area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is 9 root 15 centimeter square. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the area of this triangle. Thank you all of you for watching my video. I hope you might have understood everything. If you have any queries or doubt, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you all of you.